Good morning! It's another gloomy, cloudy day. And forecast for today, guys, it will rain heavy the whole day. That's why I am here in the garden early. We just finished breakfast and looking on this side of my garden. So my plan, I will pull all these sunflowers now. So I need to move. Let's go. Oops, look at this flower. Get smell. But then I might cut all this. Actually, we get plenty flowers like this one. I might cut later because hubby get allergies on flowers like this. Okay. So first, let me get my gloves and pull the old sunflowers. Beautiful morning. Birds waiting in there, but then I will feed them later. I will do my plan first. Need to work fast. But even though it will rain, I will still work on it. I can be waterproof. So, pull first. And then after that, I will loosen, dig the soil. Okay, so what shall I need? I think I need this cutter. Okay. I'm in the mood today. Oops, get water in there. Good morning. Ooh. I'm on a mission today. I plan to do this long time. That's why rain or shine. I am in a schedule today, guys. But it's good to work in the garden if like this. It's not hot. Oh, look at this. No more seeds. I know the cardinals ate the seeds of all these sunflowers. Look, no more. It's gone. Empty. Empty. I need to shake off the roots so I can save all the nice good soil. Oop. Shake it off. Let me check the flower of this. Oh, still get some seeds. Look. Ayan, they did not eat yet. But anyways, these seeds, I will give it to them anyway. Look, this one is still good. Rub like that and the seeds will appear. You will see the seeds. Uncover it. That's how you uncover. So small. Not good, this one. No seeds inside. Okay, last two pull. Oh, this one. This is the biggest. Look, guys. Oh, heavy. Heavy. This one, I can save the flower with the seeds. Oh, yeah, good soil. Easy. So I will just mix and loosen. Nah. Look at all this nice soil. But look, I can still see the fertilizers. How long was that? Well, no, I put the last time. Nice. You can see, yeah? Woo. What's inside? White. Does it smell like fertilizer? Or a styro plastic inside? Fertilizer.
The outside coating has to melt first.
Yeah. I'm asking Habi if he brought down my seeds. He said, yeah, but no, he only brought his seeds, ampalaya, bitter melon. Those birds around you, they think you will give them food. I'm here. I will talk, talk, talk so they can hear me. Cook, 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 cook. I'm here. I'm here, birds. So they are there. Cook, 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 cook. I'm here. Oh, they are coming. Oh my God. Coming. Cook, 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 cook. I'm here. They are coming, guys. Oh, oh, look. They are there already coming. I'm here. I sus. I'm here. Come here, come here. Oh, plenty today. Cook, 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 cook. You wait. I need to finish my work first. Oh, they are there. Oops. Okay. So I have this one. It's Dahlia Zinnia mix. I never opened yet. 1/2 inch deep in well draining soil with full sun, okay? Space plants 9 to 12 inches apart for proper airflow. Watering keep the soil moist but not soggy until germination, 7 to 10 days, okay? First time I will be planting like this. 7 to 10 inches. Okay, so something like this apart. Let's start, guys. I'm so excited. So from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think so. 8, 7, 6. Wow, that's good. So I can easily remember how much I will put in here. So it's 8, 7, 6. Let's start. I don't know how the seeds look like first time, like what I said. I'm right. It looks like the seeds of marigold. Let's see. Oh, so it looked like this. Oh my god. It's like hollow inside. It's a flat. Anyway, let's just try. I'm so excited to see flowers like this here in our garden. Oh my god. I cannot use gloves with this. I need to pick those one by one. Okay. Wow. I never expect the seeds will look like this, flat. Hopefully, I can make it, I can sprout. I need to pick the good ones. Okay, I'm done. So let's wait 7 to 10 days germination. Plenty seeds in here, so need to put it back. I will look for a tray in there and I will sprout more just in case all this will make it. And then I have sprouts from the pot, then I can place it somewhere. Next, oh, let me water, and after that cover with the screen. Anyways, it might rain later, so just a little bit. There you go. So I get this screen. Oops. Need to cover. For now, like this. How it work? I know. Yeah, better like this. So for now guys, I covered with screen, so this is how it look. And according to the instruction, 7 to 10 days of germination. So let's wait 7 to 10 days. I think 10 days is the best, and then I will show. Hopefully all will sprout because the first row was 8 and then 7 and then 6. And look at my green onion leaves. So very healthy. Look at the flowers. Ah, there is a bee there. Can you see that, guys? Get bee in that. They look nice, you know. There, and inside this one, when it matures, you will get to see black seeds. Oh, there. This one. sample. This one is already good, matured. So let me show. It's hard for me because I'm wearing gloves. Wait. Okay, so let's sample in here, guys. So there. You see the black ones? This is the seeds. There. You see this black? This is the seed of a onion. Ayan siya. Very tiny. But look, I need to remove all this like this. Oh my God, I'm sweating. I need a good shower after here. Yeah, I need to clean in here and then pick some green onions as well for my cooking later. I need onion leaves for my garnishing. We never run out of green onions, guys, and we never buy. We get more than enough supply. At least we get something free. Oops, sorry. I cut this one. Get a flower, but I can get the seeds. Plant, plant, plant. It's good to have some free spices, anything that is edible. So at least you can have some free. It's not good to buy everything that you use in, especially in cooking. There are spices, guys, that are very easy to grow, maintain. That's what we do. We get green onions, we get rosemary, we get basil, what else? Thyme. We get lemongrass. Oops. Ayan. Okay. Oops, oops. Need to throw. Need to clean up a little bit. I have my Filipino, how do you call this? Walis ting ting, walis tambo. It's made from the coconut leaves. Sorry guys, I sound like I'm out of breath because yesterday and the other day I ate fish, I ate chicken last night, so I am having my allergies. With all these rains, oh, we get water in the pond. Although, the pond should have water, but then we are not using it. No fish, and it's clogged. That's why it's not active, not in use. But with all these rains, for how many weeks, we still get water in the pond. So what we do to avoid the mosquitoes laying in here, we put the Epsom salt. Sometimes oil. Oil can do it as well. Okay, So I'm done in here. So we are making one more. Yeah, the flowers of this zinnia, it will attract birds as well. Oh, nice. Look at the top of the post, the cardinal. Oh, I get some sunflower seeds in here for you. You come, feel free to come. Nice the sound, yeah. So additional 12. I want plenty of this. Let's see. Yeah, I put in there the seeds.
He's right there eating a red cardamom.
Nice. Love it. Oh, yeah, I can see the sunflowers that I harvested from there, guys. I just put somewhere and then, oh, the red cardinal is already there eating. Oh my God. I'm glad you found that. Go, go, go. That's for you. For everybody who can see that it's free. Oh, I like make a video and show to everyone. But I have to finish this first. Hopefully he will not go away. Please wait for me. Wait for me. You still there? Yeah, I'm done. But I need to use my phone so I can focus. This is the other one, so I put plenty also in here. Okay, see you in 7 to 10 days. It's starting to drizzle now. Okay, come fast. It good. It might rain how many days? By then I cannot feed you. Come everybody now. What are you guys doing there? Get 3 more in the roof. Come now, come. Hurry up. Rain is coming. Oh my God. It's good. I'm done with what I planned yesterday. That I need to sprout the zinnia plant. Okay, I see you guys. I don't know when. When no more rain. And while waiting for this rain, we have one problem, guys. We don't know what's for lunch. Me and Javi cannot decide, cannot think what to prepare for lunch. Okay, see ya later.